Upgrade your ride with these must-have car accessories available on Amazon. From practical tools to innovative gadgets, this video showcases the top car accessories that every driver should own. Introducing the Rove Viva Pro, the smart car charger with Alexa built in. Control your music, get directions, and make calls, all hands-free. With Alexa, your voice does it all, keeping your focus on the road. Plus, it's not just smart, it's powerful. Rove Viva Pro keeps your devices charged with dual high-speed USB ports. Turn your car into a smart car. Get the Rove Viva Pro Alexa ready for the road. Meet the Zooz Smart Vehicle Health Monitor, the gadget that keeps your car running smoothly. From real-time diagnostics to engine health checks, Zooz gives you instant insights into your car's performance, no mechanic required. Get detailed reports and alerts for potential problems before they become costly repairs. Zooz helps you stay ahead of the game. Ready to take control of your car's health? Try the Zooz Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. Drive smarter, stay safer. Introducing the Mobileye 8 Connect, the smart driver assist system that's your partner for safer, smarter driving. With advanced collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and pedestrian detection, Mobileye keeps you aware of your surroundings, helping prevent accidents before they happen. Stay connected on the go with real-time insights sent straight to your phone, giving you tools to improve your driving habits. Want confidence behind the wheel? Get the Mobileye 8 Connect, the co-pilot you can always count on. Introducing the Autovox Solar Wireless Backup Camera, the hassle-free solution for perfect parking. With its solar-powered design, there's no wiring or battery worries. Just install, and it's ready to help you park safely, day or night. The wide-angle lens and HD video ensure you'll never miss a thing, while the night vision keeps you safe in the dark. Meet Hudley Wireless, the portable heads-up display that brings key driving information right to your windshield. With wireless connectivity, Hudley mirrors your smartphone's GPS, calls, and notifications, keeping your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Easy to set up and fully adjustable, Hudley works in any car, giving you real-time info without distractions. Upgrade your driving experience with Hudley Wireless, the smarter way to stay connected on the road. Ever dropped your keys, phone, or that last fry in hard-to-reach places? Meet ODI, the ultimate grab-it gadget. This genius tool features a 19-inch extendable claw that grabs what you can't. Plus, it has a super strong magnet for metal items and a built-in flashlight for those dark corners. Compact, versatile, and a lifesaver for everyday messes. Say goodbye to impossible reaches with ODI. Want a safer driving experience? Meet Carvey, the smart tech that keeps you alert and protected on the road. Carvey uses advanced AI to track your driving, warn you about lane drift, and detect potential accidents before they happen. It's like having an extra pair of eyes on the road. Plus, Carvey helps improve your driving over time with detailed performance reports. Upgrade your safety game with Carvey Smart Tech for smarter drivers. Tired of juggling your phone while driving? Meet the Mountek Grip Plus, the phone mount that keeps your device secure and in view. With its powerful magnetic grip, the Grip Plus keeps your phone steady, no matter the bumps or turns. It's quick, easy, and works with any phone, offering a hands-free experience for safer driving. Make your drive safer and more convenient with the Mountek Grip Plus. And when you're done, just grab your phone and go. No hassle, no struggle. With its versatile design, the Grip Plus fits most car vents, and its adjustable angle ensures the perfect view for navigation or hands-free calls. Upgrade your driving experience. Stay safe and connected with the Mountech Grip Plus. Looking for top-tier protection on the road? Meet the ThinkWhere U1000 Dash Cam, the ultimate driving companion. With 4K UHD resolution, the U1000 captures every detail in stunning clarity, from license plates to road signs, even at night. And with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily access and share footage, while its safety camera alerts keep you aware of speed limits and red lights. Stay safe, secure, and connected with the ThinkWhere U1000 Dash Cam. Want crystal clear footage and next-level protection on the road? Meet the TI CarView 3 Dash Cam. With 1080p Full HD video and a wide 170-degree lens, the CarView 3 records everything around you in stunning detail. Featuring loop recording and G-sensor technology, it automatically saves important footage in the event of a collision. Drive with confidence. Protect your journey with the TI CarView 3. Tired of guessing what's behind you when reversing? Meet the ZUS Smart Wireless Backup Camera, your eyes on the back. With HD video quality, the ZUS camera gives you a crystal clear view of what's behind, all streamed directly to your phone via Wi-Fi. Installation is a breeze, no wires, no hassle. Just mount, connect, and drive safer. Make parking and reversing stress-free with the ZUS Smart Wireless Backup Camera.